welcome to the show for Lisa Crackhead. On today's episode, she is looking for her puppies. Baby dad.
How y'all doing? Girl. Girl. How y'all doing?
So today's episode on Murray, the ghetto.
Girl. And don't get up on here. And don't get over here. Don't get over here.
We're here to see who the baby daddy is of her dog.
I know. I know who my baby daddy is. I know. You ain't got to tell me. I already know. You ain't got to tell me. I know.
Well, today we are here and we have her dog by the name of...
Oh, her name Yum Yum. Her name not Yum. I call her Yum Yum.
And she is accusing the dog by the name of Chandrea. Apparently he is a transvestite dog who ironically slept with her... her dog. So, on today's episode, we are catching you up with we have the results. And on today's results, we would like to say...
see, they have got, I know his baby daddy. Cause look, they got the same eyes, they got the same nose. Look at that nose. Look at that nose right there. Look, they got the same ears. Look at that. They got the same everything. I know. See,
We're bringing in the other dog.
Come on, Congress. You want to sit down here? Oh, okay. Well, you understand? I got this. Look at her.
You can change his diaper though.
I don't change diapers.
Look how heavy it is.
Oh, no, I ain't got this girl. Right on there, right there. Smack you in the face.
And that is...
Back to you. I ain't got time.
So,
anyway,
we will be back after this commercial break. And we are back. So...
Look at her. Whatever. Oh, she said black, right? She said black, right?
There is no crack here.
Oh, okay.
So, on today's episode, we would like to continue with telling you what the results are.
Look at her. Look. They got the same eyes. Look at her.
The results are in. Chandrea, you are not the baby daddy.